Hello everyone. So I'm kind of trying to do YouTube between not feeling great and whatnot, but package has just arrived, and this is hopefully a nice bit of kit. But we'll get into it. It's from Temu, so this is the first order I've done. Packaging looks great, albeit I am annoyed with the delivery driver who literally knocked on the door, ran up the driveway, got in his car, and by the time I got to the door, he was pretty much driving off. So it's a good job I was in, but I'm not going anywhere early of late, so let's get into this. This, I think, cost me 14 odd pounds, give or take, but it was on an offer for kind of incentives. Popped up on Facebook and I thought, kept on raising, and I have wanted something like this for a while. So again, nicely wrapped. I have to be as quick as I can with this. So there we go. So that's what I've gone for, and what I want to do is put this onto my pillar drill. So let's open up and see what we've got. Sounds like I'm going to have to build it, but let's see. Oh, let's give that a bit of a cut across. Wow, okay. So let's take this off. Now, when I said I have to build it, there's not actually all that much to build. Let's have a look at the instructions. Okay, so the instructions are quite clear. Gives you the dimensions of travel, etc., etc., what we can and can't do. Gives all the adjustable elements. So we've got a wheel for, what's that? That's for Y direction, so forwards and backwards. There's a bit of play here. I can feel it in there. So probably not going to be able to trust how much it's moving. Back and X and Y. Again, there's a little bit you can feel it, but yeah, there's no motion. So I think accuracy of this is going to be questionable, but I think it's going to do the job. The bolts here, what we've got, two of those. I'll figure out what they do. Small Allen key. Not too sure what that's going to adjust. So you've got a small Allen key. These things, don't know what they are, but I'm assuming that is to do with bolting things down. So that's for that. Yeah, I think that's how it's going to go, is it? Maybe. We'll see. Oh, that's... There we go. Got threaded stuff. I suppose really I've got to read the instructions, but this is probably the quickest unboxing that's ever been done, but that's what you're going to get. I'll have to figure out what I'm ultimately going to use this for to make. I've got the ability to make molds with a 3D printer, use aluminium cans that I can melt down, subject to me not blow myself up, and yeah. So I mean, it's okay. I think for the price, you get what you pay for. I will know that engineers who do potentially see this and absolutely rip it to bits and recommend something that's probably 5 times the price, which I'm perfectly acceptable again. I mean, this might just be some form of, you could probably adjust it somewhere, but we'll see. I've got to play with it. So there you go. That's the unboxing of the mini compound bench. It says enjoy DIY, enjoy life. yeah. So as usual, like, share, subscribe, the usual stuff. Okay, thanks a lot. Bye.